There is a version of you out there, richer, stronger, more focused, and absolutely unstoppable. And every second you waste that version, get further away. You don't need more motivation, you need a funeral. It's time to bury the weak version of yourself and revival the beast you were born to become. Every morning you wake up, you lie to yourself. You roll over, grab your phone, and drown in distractions before your feet even hit the ground. And then you wonder why you feel lost, why you are stuck, why you are broke, why you feel powerless. It's not bad luck, it's your mindset. It's been poisoned. You have been fooled into thinking you need to feel ready before taking action, but that's not how winners move. Champions don't wait for inspiration, they move with purpose no matter how they feel. The men who wait for motivation will always lose to the men who act with discipline. Here is the truth: you are not tired, you are uninspired, you are not overwhelmed, you are undisciplined. And it's not the world holding you back, it's the weak voice in your head, the one whispering, take a break, start tomorrow, maybe later. That voice is your enemy. Until you silence it, you'll stay a prisoner in your own life. People complain that it's hard, like struggle is some punishment. But pain is the toll you pay for your greatness. You don't get diamonds without pressure. You don't evolve without resistance. What you call pressure, I call the proving ground. Every single day, life asks you one question: are you worthy? And your response is not in what you say, it's in what you do. You either prove yourself or you don't. There is no middle ground at all. If you keep failing the test, don't complain about your result. Don't cry about the life you don't have. You are not unlucky, you are undisciplined. You are not cursed, you are uncommitted. Your life is screaming the truth you are too afraid to admit. Stop looking for shortcuts, hacks, and secret formulas. Greatness is not hiding behind some flashy ads. There is no secret sauce. The formula is brutal and basic. Wake up early, train hard, work harder, kill comfort, eliminate weaknesses, repeat until your last breath. It's not glamorous, it's not fun, but it's what builds monsters. It what creates legends. If you want to earn respect, build power, and walk free, then learn to love the grind. While the average man runs from discomfort, the powerful man runs into it. He hunts it down because pain is where he sharpens his edges. Comfort is the enemy. It whispers soft lies to your mind. It kills your potential in silence. Every skipped workout, every snoozed alarm, every excuse is a death by a thousand cuts. And by the time you realize it, it's already too late. The world moves on. It doesn't wait for the lazy to catch up. It rewards the obsessed. But here's what no one tells you: you are not stuck. You are not broken. You are just not committed yet. Once you take a decision, everything changes. That hunger you feel, it, that fire in your chest, that's not frustration. That's the call to becoming more, to becoming legendary. The moment you stop numbing that fire with junk food, cheap dopamine, and fake friends and start feeding it discipline, obsession, and action, you become dangerous. That's the goal, to become dangerous. Not with violence, but with presence, with purpose, with your energy. A disciplined man doesn't need to speak to be heard. His presence commands attention. His silence carries weight. That's what mindset builds. That's what discipline delivers. And it all starts with one moment when you look in the mirror and declare, enough. I am done living like this. Because deep down you already know you were not born to be average. You were not built for weakness, poverty, or insecurity. You were born to dominate. You were born to leave a legacy. But To do that, you must kill the version of you that's holding you back. Kill the lazy you, the scared you, the comfort chasing you. Let that version die. And in its place, build a man who cannot be broken. You don't need permission to change. You don't need sign or perfect timing. You need one thing: ruthlessness, ruthless discipline, ruthless focus, ruthless execution. Because motivation is not a feeling, it's a decision, a mindset, a contract with your future. And once you sign it, once you lock in, the universe gets out of your way. So don't wait, don't overthink, don't read another quote or watch another video before acting. There is no backup plan, no calorie coming, just you, your grit, and the life you are building one brutal decision at a time. If you don't take control now, someone else will. And you will be forced to watch them live the life you were too scared to fight for. I remember sitting alone, no heat, no food, no money, just silence. The kind that drowns you. Always remember, growth only happens in pressure. What comfort is stripped when you are focused to rebuild. That's when your true self is forged. You walk through fire and you rise from its unshaken. No one sees the grind, the late nights, the endless rejection, the self doubt, the failures. But that's where champions are born, in the dark, in the silence, when no one is watching, when no one claps, when it's just you versus your inner demons. And still you show up. Because something louder than fear echoes inside you: hunger. Hunger to become the man you were destined to be. If your dream doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. If it doesn't hurt, it's not worth chasing. I am not the most talented one, not the smartest, not the most connected, but I am obsessed. I have a grit. I have to chip on my folder and refuse to quit. Every failure, it was a lesson. Every loss, a recalibration. Every breakdown, a transformation. The setback is not your enemy, it's your leverage. Weak men stay down, strong men rise higher. What used to destroy you, now it fuels you. Confidence is not born, it's built. Rep by rep, step by step. When your body screams stop, you go one more. When life slams the door, you build a new one. When no one believes in you, you still show up. That's real power. It's not about applause, it's about showing up when the world gives you nothing and you still choose effort. There were moments I wanted to quit. I questioned everything, but every time I got to that edge, I heard a voice: is this how your story ends? And just like that, I stood up again. Even with nothing, I had a choice. I choose effort, I choose movement, I choose discipline, and brick by brick, I build a life no one could shape. Mindset is not something you flip on when it's convenient. It's your foundation, it's your weapon, it's your declaration. Throw whatever you want at me, I will not fold. I will adapt and I will rise. Live like that. And the world shifts, doors opens, people feel your presence. Because the universe respect warrior who stop begging and start building. If you are struggling right now, good. Let the struggle mold you. Let it light the fire that forge a legacy. The world remember those who built something from nothing. The one who refused to be forgotten. The one who turned pain into power. You can be that man if you want it bad enough. If you are ready to walk through fire and come out forged. And if no one has told you this today, I will. You are not done. You are just getting started. Everything you have survived, it was training. The betrayal, the failure, the silence. It wasn't punishment, it was preparation. Now it's time to cash in. Not next week, not tomorrow, right now. Because the man or woman who waits will always serve the man who acts. So, act, move, build, win. You are not a victim, you are a weapon, and it's time to be sharpened. Time is slipping, and you don't realize how fast it's going until it's gone. That's life's greatest scam. It makes you believe you have got more time. You don't. One day you will wake up 35, broke, out of shape, uninspired, not respected, not proud, and the scariest part, you will realize you did it to yourself. That clock won't stop. Every second you waste is another second closer to being forgotten. That's fear in your chest. That's your soul begging you to wake up, to rise, to choose greatness over comfort. Every soft bed, every skip rep, every snoozed alarm is a silent betrayal. You are either building your destiny or letting it rot in darkness while you scroll. Hell is not a fire. Hell is meeting the man you could have become and realize you are nothing like him. Let that image haunt you. Let it push you. There is someone out there right now waking up at 5 a.m., training like a machine, studying while you scroll, building while you sleep. Every second you waste, he widens the gap. And one day you will see him win the life you were too soft to fight for. He choose pain, you choose ease. He choose elite, you choose invisible. The future belongs to the obsessed, not the entertained. And the obsession comes with cost, sacrifice. If you are not paying the price, you are not in the game. You think you have time to waste your 20s partying, skipping workout, ignoring your calling? Life is a brutal accountant. It will collect in regrets, in sickness, in missed chances, in an average life. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret? Choose. Most men are already lost, scrolling, numbing, settling, walking corpses, and the system loves that. Weak men are easy to control. That's why your rebellion starts with self mastery. You want to escape the matrix? Become a weapon in mind, in body, in spirit. Every time you choose pain over pleasure, comfort over distraction, you break the chain. Freedom is earned in suffering, slavery is chosen through comfort. Pick your side. If you have wasted years, good. Let the shame ignite you. Let it break you and rebuild you. When you are finally sick of your own excuses, everything changes. Flip the switch. No one can stop the man who become obsessed with growth. Not his past, not his genetics, not his environment. Burn the old you, rebirth through fire. Because you were never built for average, you were built to dominate. Time's up. Choose legacy or choose extinction. And remember, comfort will cost you your kingdom. Move now or never.